Greetings to all health enthusiasts out there. Today we delve into the versatile world of baking soda and its many health benefits. This humble kitchen ingredient, often overlooked, holds a treasure trove of health benefits. One of the most common and effective uses of baking soda is in oral care. It's a natural teeth whitener and a potent weapon against bad breath. A study published in the Journal of Oral and Dental Health reports that baking soda can effectively remove plaque and discoloration, leading to brighter, healthier teeth. It also neutralizes the acids in the mouth, thereby preventing tooth decay and enhancing overall oral health. Furthermore, it's an excellent remedy for bad breath, as it kills the bacteria that cause this unpleasant condition. So whether it's for a dazzling smile or fresh breath, a pinch of baking soda can make a world of difference to your oral health. Now, moving on to our second benefit, baking soda for heartburn and indigestion. This humble kitchen ingredient works as a natural antacid. When baking soda mixes with stomach acid, it produces water, salt, and carbon dioxide, neutralizing the acid and providing relief from heartburn and indigestion. It's a simple yet effective remedy, but remember, this is a temporary solution and it's always important to uncover the root cause of these symptoms. Remember, always consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Before we move on to our next fascinating benefit, we'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and ring the bell to stay updated. We're constantly sharing intriguing health facts to keep you informed. Stay tuned for more interesting health facts. Let's now explore the beauty benefits of baking soda. This humble kitchen ingredient has a surprising role in skincare, offering a natural and affordable way to maintain healthy, radiant skin. One of its key benefits is exfoliation. When mixed with water, baking soda can gently remove dead skin cells, revealing a brighter complexion. It's also known for its potential to treat acne. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, it can help reduce the inflammation and redness associated with acne. What's more, it can soothe skin irritations, making it a handy companion for those with sensitive skin. But the benefits don't stop at skincare. Baking soda is also a natural deodorant. It works by neutralizing the odors rather than just masking them, helping to keep you fresh throughout the day. So, isn't it amazing how this humble kitchen ingredient can double up as a skincare hero? As we continue on our baking soda journey, let's explore its versatility beyond personal care. Imagine a single eco-friendly solution for your entire household cleaning needs. That's baking soda for you. From scrubbing your kitchen countertops to freshening up your bathroom, it's indeed a multitasking marvel. Now let's switch gears and talk about something a bit more soothing. A detox bath. Just a few tablespoons of baking soda in your bath can provide relaxation, assist in skin detoxification, and even help relieve muscle pain. It's like having a personal spa at home. Lastly, maintaining a balanced pH in our bodies is vital for overall health. Baking soda, being naturally alkaline, can potentially play a role in this. However, do remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Well, who knew that baking soda could be such a versatile powerhouse? As we wrap up our discussion, remember the versatility of baking soda, from oral health to household cleaning. Remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Philippians 4:13. Thank you for watching and supporting Blessed Blissful Broadcast. Stay healthy, stay blessed.